I believe I'm live. Let's see. Let's see. Would you know it? Yes, I am. Happy Wednesday. Had to think for a minute there. Hope your day is going well. Gotta go live on this device so I can be on multiple platforms at the same time. Very cool. So, as you can see, I'm all bundled up because it got cold in Bahrain. And I know for people living in Europe or in parts of the US, you're probably thinking, she doesn't know what cold is. Yes, I do. It's very interesting, the mind. I lived in New York where temperatures would go down to below zero. And we learn to adjust. So if I was in New York at this temperature, I would be ecstatic. But here in Bahrain, we are all crying and complaining. It's cold, it's cold. But that's how the mind works. It's relative. So, solving problems. How do we solve problems? I believe that a lot of it has to do with the way we view problems. How do we view problems? I like this quote, and I'm going to quote George Matthew Adams, who is an author. And he says, "What you think means more than anything else in your life. More than what you earn, more than where you live, more than your social status, and more than what anyone else may think about you. Every problem introduces you to yourself. It shows you how you think and what you're made of." I hadn't thought about it in that light, but reading it, it's so true. Every problem that we face will let us know how is our resilience, for instance. How is our mindset? How is our attitude? Do we blow up when there's a problem, yelling at people? Do we take things calmly, reflective, and wondering what is the next step I need to take to get out of here? So, how do you solve problems? What's your viewpoint about solving problems? It will make a difference when you find yourself in a situation where you need to come up with a solution. The way you see it will also determine how you handle it and how you handle yourself. So how do you react when you're faced with a problem? Do you panic? Do you ignore, hoping it will go away? Do you feel powerless to solve it? Have you had such a bad experience trying to solve problems in the past that you've just given up? Or do you tackle them willingly? Now, the ability to solve problems effectively comes from experiences facing and overcoming obstacles. So each time you solve another problem, you get a little better at the process. But if you never try, fail, and try again, guess what? Let me repeat that. If you've never try, fail, and try again, and for sometimes the word try can be misleading, but I would like to put it in more definitive terms. So, if you have never done something, failed at it, and done it again, you will never be good at it. Because it's in the doing, failing, doing, it's in the cycle that you get better and better. So be willing to tackle a difficult problem today, even if it means you'll likely fail. And then what? You fail, and then what? You learn something. So, new way of thinking about things, new way of solving problems, going for it, making things happen. I wish you all the very best. I will